All right, I want to give you a quick view of the Canvas view in Gemini. So you'll notice I clicked on this plus button, and the first part is what you'd expect, a way to upload data. That could be files from your computer or in your Google Drive or even notebooks, formerly known as notebook LMs. But there's another section here, which is not about uploading things, but about how the AI behaves and some of the user interface elements. So we're going to drop down here to Canvas, which you can tell is being focused on code or writing or making slides. And the reason is it's going to show us a little chat bar on the left and the majority of our content on the right so that we can more easily interact with it. So I'm going to click on Canvas. I'm going to ask it to do something simple, which hopefully will mean that this is going to happen quickly. Build a simple HTML index for these links. And I had previously copied them, and we'll just see how well it does. But it's getting a little aggressive again, right? Live search, sorting, categories, like all this stuff I didn't really ask for, and in some ways kind of explicitly asked for it not to happen. I don't know if AI is doing it on purpose to use more tokens, but I am paranoid. But that doesn't mean that they're not out to get us. So yeah, way fancier than I need or want, but you get the idea. So now I've got this index, and I can certainly interact with it here at the macro level. The thing to think about is, like, sometimes if you ask a question here, it's going to look at the entirety of this object rather than in an individual piece. And so you might want the ability just to manipulate a tiny bit, both to save tokens and to prevent it from changing things you don't want. So that's what this is about, this little tool set over here. There is an add Gemini features piece, but I'm pretty sure our license makes it so that doesn't work, so I'm not going to cover it. But select and ask does work. So I click on that. I should be able to do something like this. So I'll select this whole piece, and I'll just say remove this. So nothing else should change. And it's kind of talking through what it's going to do. And it bombed. I've had some bad luck with it today. But ordinarily, that would work. So let's just try and refresh it. Nope, still failing. We'll just say not working. Please fix. And I mean, this kind of stuff happens here, and that is one of the risks of vibe coding. Sometimes strange stuff happens, and if you don't know what the code is doing, your only option is to continue to engage with the AI. There we go. So now we've got it right, just out of fun. Let's see. Yep, does seem to work. And we have a light and dark mode switcher, but it doesn't work. So that's another thing we could follow up with. But hopefully you get the idea, and then once we've got it how we want it, we can download it, and that gives us a single file, and we could put that someplace.